Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you what does restore means on your Snapchat. So let me show you how does the restore badge really look like on Snapchat. So for that, let me open the Snapchat, head into the chats section which is at the bottom of the screen. So here appears the chat section of Snapchat. So here I got the two restore badges. So what does this restore really means on Snapchat? So this restore signifies that your snap streak has already ended, and if you want to get your streak back, then you need to tap on restore and follow the on-screen instruction in order to get the streak badge. But if you don't see any restore badges on your Snapchat, then your Snapchat streaks cannot be restored, which means your Snapchat streaks has already been ended too long ago to bring it back. So we need to tap on this restore badges. So along with this restore, it is written streak ended also beneath the username of this Snapchatters. So tap on restore, and here it is informed that you and Reveal lost your most recent streak, but either of you can restore it for the next 51 hours. Otherwise, you will have to snap each other's every day to start a new streak. So we have already lost our 5-day snap streaks, but we can restore it within the 51 hours. So if you would like to restore it, you can simply tap on the restore button which is at the bottom right corner. So now my snap streaks of 5 days with this reveal has already been restored. This is what restore means on Snapchat. Hope so you got the information well. If this video was useful for you, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell to never miss an upcoming video from our channel. Thank you guys.